Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sany and today I have for you a very easy tutorial to create a dry brush manicure. So let's begin. Begin by painting all your nails with your base color. Make sure the base is all opaque and nice and is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Next, pick up the colors to create the dry brush effect. To get the dry brush effect, make sure you have very little to no nail polish left on your polish brush. Then swipe the brush on both horizontal and vertical directions to get a nice textured look. Repeat this on all the nails with all your colors. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to clean up around the cuticles and apply the top coat. For easier cleanup, you can also choose to apply some liquid latex around your cuticle before beginning to dry brush your nails. Once your nails are completely dry, you can go ahead and apply your top coat. Once you apply the top coat, the surface of the nails will look all smooth and nice. And you're done. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, take care and I will see you soon. Bye.